Do you guys have lots? Do you guys start with coils? Let me know in the comments below. Oh yeah, like and subscribe to see more videos on the Real K Moe.
Thank y'all so much for tuning in and welcome to my channel. Today is all about London's locks. Y'all, my baby made it to 1 year lock, 12 months lock, whatever you want to call it, on February 23rd. And we are now about to do her 1 year lock retwist. She has not had a retwist since December, guys. So I'm going to show you guys her locks. I'm going to insert a clip right now from when I was shampooing her locks. And basically this is London's 12 months locks. Remember, she started with coils. If you're new to my channel and you're not familiar with her locks, I'll link her last lock video and you can look through my lock playlist from when I had my locks and you'll find her videos inside of that playlist as well. All that new growth. Look at that. Y'all see that? Might have a little shrinkage. How do you feel being 12 months locked? 1 year locked? Can you believe you made it?
I feel good.
How do you feel about having locks as an 8-year-old?
I feel kind of special, you know, because I never saw an 8-year-old who had locks.
Well, there are some 8-year-olds that have locks, but not many, huh?
Yeah, because I never seen one.
So you're going to be different?
Yeah.
So you think you're going to keep your locks like until they're down your back?
I'm going to keep my locks till probably
Right where?
here.
You gonna grow them down there?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. All right, so what do you like the most about having locks?
I like that I can shape my hair. Because, like, when I didn't have locks, like, I could shape my hair, but it's still...
You had shrinkage?
Yeah.
Okay. What else do you like?
I like that I can, you know, style my hair different ways. Like, I could do it back, I could do it up.
Okay. Do you like that you don't have to get your hair combed every day?
Yeah, because when I didn't have locks, I felt like my mama was scraping across my...
Oh, I was not rough. Don't do that.
Yes, it was.
No, I wasn't. So you saying I'm too rough?
It's just...
You just tender-headed and you ain't got time to be getting your hair combed every day.
I don't.
Okay. Well, is there anything else you want to add before we get started? Anything you want to tell the people? No? You don't want to tell the people nothing?
Hope y'all have a good day or something.
Alright, we about to go on ahead and retwist because y'all see she is a clown. Alright guys, I just want to pick things up and slow things down a minute to give you guys a close-up at London's locks. Her sides are still that fine hair, but they are locked, but they're really soft on the edges. Along her backside, you can see the locks are much thicker.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin'. From the first whistle, we go all in. And one. Call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery and proud of me, yeah. No one baby proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just show me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage, my lungs. If you want to drive, she get what I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin'. From the first whistle, we go all in. And one. Call it. Numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Be for real, 25 the other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in a day. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Made you far from home, but I'm so close to you. Gotta get that back like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush, hurry up, cause I'm overdue. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side.
I could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Close the match cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna chew you. From the inside out, so right now. Say it with your chest now, say it with your chest.
Just finished that retwist. We're gonna let her air dry.
Ain't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free. Ain't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it out. It's your time. Oh, cheers to all the haters, cause you prove
1 year, y'all. 1 year. 1 year. Like, that is crazy. That is super duper crazy because, like, I thought I wouldn't make it. Like, I thought I wouldn't make it. And I just love my locks because, you know, and you could just, like, style it. You can braid it. You can do whatever you want with locks. So I just love locks. I love locks. That's it. No, that's not it. I just love my locks. I just love my locks. But so
Right now. Oh, it's in your ear.
yeah, the lock got stuck in my ear.
Girl, that thing was not stuck in your ear.
I wanna see it. Let me see it first.
Don't drop my camera.
Right. So y'all, I'm the new Real K Moe. So if you guys like this video and want to see more on the Real K Moe, thumbs up and subscribe, and yeah, bye. How to handle fame.
How to handle fame? Who's famous?
How to handle fame on Google.
Who's famous?
Me.
Hey y'all, so we just finished taking her clips out, and I'm just gonna get her ready for bed by tying her hair in a pineapple. This is gonna be the first time she's had a pineapple for bedtime, so let's just hope that it helps keep her headscarf on, okay? She's bad on keeping her headscarf. All right, you're gonna have to put your phone down for a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Put your legs down. I need you to hold your head down. As far down as you can do it. Okay? And when I had my locks, what I would do, I would just bring my hair up like this. All up, okay? Then get your headscarf. I'm gonna put the satin side down first because the other side is not satin. So what I'm gonna do is make sure that lock is going up. Make sure they're all going up. Make sure her edges are all going up and none won't be bent. Make sure all of her locks are moving up. On this side too. Turn your head to the side like this so I can not have to keep moving around the table. Okay.
What even is a pineapple?
It just looks like a pineapple because all your hair is going to the front to keep it from bending and getting super frizzy, as long as you keep the headscarf on. And I'm just tucking this around and around so no loose ends are hanging. All right, y'all, so that's it. That's how she's gonna go to bed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my playlist to check out her earlier months of her first year of her lock journey. And you can also take a look at those videos of my first lock journey. I will have another lock journey coming. I just do not know an exact date for you. So, all right, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.